Hi, and welcome back to It's a Miracle Budgets. My name is Brady, and I'm a cash budgeter. Today, I am doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in January. I get paid bi-weekly, and so I am doing a modified cash stuffing schedule, although this one is a little bit better than normal because I was able to actually get money that someone owed me that I paid some debt off. Didn't have to put as much toward debt as I originally planned. So first thing I'm going to do is stuff my variable envelopes. This is items that go up and down as we go, and I lied. First thing I'm going to do actually is my cash envelopes. I don't have them here because I've been using a slotted envelope, or a slotted, what am I trying to say? A slotted wallet. God, geez, that's terrible. So 50 for gas and 10 for eating out is going into my cash wallet. And this week I did have some left. I had 20 bucks left from my wallet. So that will go into another envelope later. So we are now doing variable. So Beauty is getting 100, and I do 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And my nails, I'm pretty sure I need some in here unless I already covered it. Nope, I did. My nails are covered. Waxing is covered. In fact, I'm going to pull this out because I'm going to that tomorrow. So I'm going to put 20 in wax, and I'm going to put 60 in hair, and then I'm going to put 20 in other. I do get these dividers from Intentionally Living, and I have nails, wax, hair, and other. So left in other, I now have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Prior to taking that money out, I had, actually I think after taking it I should have 250. So Subs is getting a 20, and I think that's going to go to my monthly. So I just put 20 in. Disney's paid. The only other one I have coming up right now is Showtime and Paramount, which is not until April, and I do have 50 in there. So that is subscriptions. Then I have Pets is getting 15. So actually, let's do this. So then I'm going to take this and put it back to grab a 20. So Pets now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10. We're pretty well stocked on everything for our sweet little kitties, so shouldn't need anything for a while, so that'll just kind of pile up. Medical is getting 100. My insurance changed, and I have higher copays on everything pretty much. And I no longer have an FSA. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So now in medical, I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 35. So 235. I am using my prescriptions. I have a terrible habit of not taking them 100% of days. So I end up with some rollover. So I'm utilizing that right now so that I can save some money and not keep getting them if I'm not using them. Kids is getting 20. I believe that's 2 10s if I remember correctly. So this is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2, 10. That's not right. Hold on a second. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. That does say, that is 210 I counted. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, that is right. I'm a dork. I was looking at it wrong. Okay, so that is done. Next is needs. So this is going to go in the debt snowball. It probably will just go right to the bank, to be honest, because I've just been, as soon as I have something, I throw it on a bill. Whatever the lowest amount is, I just go through it in after payday, but I'm going to put it in there for now so I know that's what that's for. Savings is my emergency fund in the bank. Clothing is getting 20. So So clothing now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. And in case you haven't seen my posts, I am closing my store online. Rent's going up, and due to the COVID emergency in China right now, it's just a hot mess, and I kept trying to figure out another solution, and I just honestly am over the stress from it. It's giving me flare-ups from lupus, and I just can't do it anymore. So I am closing it. Every single thing in the store, including clearance, is 50% off. So if you want to go check that out. 20 is going in school, so we have 30. So for our 2 little ones that are still in the house. For car, I have 2 tabs in here. I have car expenses and car renewal. So car expenses, I have 20 going in. So this now has 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, which my oil change light's going to come on any day now. And then the renewal tabs for my license plate is getting a 20, and that will have 130, and that's almost halfway. And it's not due till August, so that's pretty cool. So that was car. Home is getting a 20. So that will have 130. Annual fees is getting 20. So this has 20, 40, 60, 61, 62. That is $250 for my Amex card for my Amex Delta Platinum. Next is my wants binder. So I have money set aside to go in here. So this is 50 I'm putting in here. And then it's also getting a 5 for my stuffing. 50 is somebody owed me. And it was from this envelope, so I'm putting it back in this envelope. So in this envelope, we should end up with, let me just total this because I'm adding something, so I don't want to mess it up. I think it's going to come out to $239, but I'm not 100%. I'm going to set that aside. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50. So that's 2, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 37, 38, 39. That's exactly what I came up with, 239. Planning is getting a 5. This is for Erin Condren stickers, anything like that, and it's mainly for next year. So I have 10 in there total. And actually, I am going to put, I forgot to make the envelope when I was at my shop. I have $10 that's going to my concerts fund. I'm going to put it right back here. Where I make my binder, I'll put that in. So it's in the front back here. Gifts is getting a 5. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70 in gifts. That will probably be gone pretty soon. I'm taking my oldest friend out for her birthday for dinner. Vacation is getting 20. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40. Zoo trips is getting a 5. And I'm going to put 5 back and grab a 10. And put 10s back and grab a 20. So you have 72. Passports is getting a 5. And this is going to be the exact same thing. I'm going to add a 5, put back a 5 and a 10, and grab a 20. So you have 72. These two almost always mirror each other. And that is it for my wants binder. Next is festivities. This is Christmas, birthdays, holidays, everything. Valentine's Day is fully funded. St. Patty's Day is fully funded. And we are working on Bunny Day. We are not Christian as a family, so we do not celebrate Easter, so I call it Bunny Day. And this is getting a 20. And actually, I'm not going to do a 20 for this. I'm actually going to do... I'm gonna do 2 10s because this is one that we like go to the store, so it doesn't matter what our denomination is. 20, 30, 40, 51. And I do $75 for each holiday unless there's something I know is coming up. So we're not doing Memorial Day yet. We're not doing 4th of July yet. Labor Day, Halloween. So Thanksgiving is getting 20. And that's 35 in Thanksgiving. Black Friday is getting a 20. So I did 20, so that's $30. Now we are on birthdays. Birthdays is getting $80. I have 2 birthdays. I have our Michigan, again, Happier Plans dividers. And then I have our Texas family there. We are working on a Michigan birthday right now. So we have 50, 60, and actually I'm going to switch these out really quick because my nail tech, I like giving her cash and I can give her smaller bills without it being a problem. So this is 50, 70, 80 going into my oldest son. His birthday is the next one I'm working on. So he now has 50, 60, 70, 80, $90. I do about 140 to 150 in each person's birthday. So we're working on his right now. When he's fully funded, I'll put him in the back and we'll go to the next birthday, which is a Texas grandkid. So that would be next. So now we're going to go to Santa. Right now I am putting them in the front until we have quite a few saved, and then I'll do there. Doing 100 in Christmas, 50 in Texas, 50 in Michigan. So in Michigan we have 75 right now for Santa. Again, we're not Christians, so we don't do Christmas per se, but Xmas bothers people, so that's why I use Santa. Never out to offend. And then we're doing 50, so we have 75 in Texas. So that is everything, and that was so much smoother than last time. Holy cow, was I rusty. I did everything wrong last time. So that is my cash stuffing. That was $730 total. So don't forget 50% off everything in the store, from binders to wallets to erasable pens, everything. Eventually I will be posting, I will have a Cricut for sale, I will have a printer for sale, and I will have a lot of vinyl rolls for sale. My Cricut is a Explorer 2. I do have 2 of them. I'm only going to keep 1. There's no reason to save 2 just for me personally. So any questions, post them down below or PM me on Instagram, and wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day and your budget's going great, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.